Yung mga unforced errors, that would really do them good.
And the trend continues, no? Yung odd numbers na pupunta dito sa PLDT, they got set number 1, 27-15.
That's right.
Set number 2 napunta sa Petron, 25-23. But in set number 3, it went back to PLDT, 25-19.
That's right. You know, the thing that I observed with PLDT, kung anong sinabi ni Coach Roger, they do it right away.
From the timeout,
From the timeout. Ginagawa nila agad, ini-execute nila agad. That's why they earned the points that they did.
Pagkatapos paluin, itong sila De Leon, Soriano, Latigay.
Yeah.
Getting back at the court immediately. You know, that's a great observation. But nothing to take away against George Pascua.
Oh, yeah.
Nakikinig din naman. But you mentioned the challenge of Petron being a new team.
Yes.
New being kabubuo ng ito eh.
Sila eh. Oo. Kaya, you know, they're playing well considering,
yes,
diba? They don't know each other.
That's right.
2 months pa lang sila training. Yeah.
But they're responding. Look at that.
Oh,
Big
yeah,
team.
like that. Alam mo, very important then when you're in the court to see the smiles of your teammates because it really encourages you.
Nakakatanggal ng pagod.
Oh.
Lalo na pag nagpapasalamat ka dun sa unang tumanggap ng bola kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi ka makakascore.
Oo, hindi ka makakaset, hindi ka makakapalo.
So 1-0 in set number 4, courtesy of the Big D, that's Tindin Santiago. They'll try it to PLDT. 4 touches.
4 touches.
So on deck to serve, numero 1. That's Ruby De Leon.
Yeah, the intelligent setter, known to be that. Alam mo itong volleyball, it's also a display of the wits of the coaches eh. Volleyball, it's also a display of the wits of the coaches eh.
Chess game din, tactician, mga tactician.
Tactician din yun eh. Kasi they're the ones who are instructing the players how to work together. Imagine mo how many different kinds of skill levels ang nasa loob ng court,
Di
diba?
pati yan, skill level, character, temperament, personality. Paghalu-haluin mo yan, hindi madali.
The coach is the one who meshes them together, diba? To be able to work as one. Kita mo to, tagal-tagal ng rally.
Nakapagkwentuhan na tayo, tuloy pa rin ang rally, 1-1 pa rin ang score. Pero just as I mentioned that, point number 2 goes to Santiago, the 6'2 player for Petron will serve. They're up 2-1. Santiago, the 6'2 player for Petron will serve. They're up 2-1. Big D.
Here we go.
De Leon will set. Roses.
Naman!
Pasok, linya.
Naman yung cross court na yon.
Linya, no?
Yeah.
Sakto sa linya. So we are tied at 2. Let's take a second look at that.
What happened to the blockers? Linihis niya yung palo niya. Talagang pinos-court talaga.
Hindi palaging gitnaan.
Oo.
And that's a respect also to the people in the middle. Alam nila na magaling ang mga mag-dig din itong Petron. De Los Santos. De Leon will go to Roses.
Nobody was there. Jen was just a little bit too far for that support.
So yung floor defense hindi ready.
Oo, medyo malayo siya doon.
Nanggigil si Jen.
Tingnan mo tuloy yung facial expression niya. Let's go! Hindi pwedeng mangyari ulit to.
So, Chara Soriano will serve. 3 serving 2. PLDT up by 1. Down the line serve. That's an ace.
Wow, what an ace.
4-2 in favor of PLDT.
Alam mo, minsan kasi sa sobrang bilis ng bola, hindi ka makareact right away eh. Kaya,
pag nag-blow by na sa'yo yung bola, doon ka lang mapapatingin.
Sana may reader talaga eh, no?
Kung ano yung speed.
The speed of the ball. That was a smart hit by Miranda. She put it in the middle.
Zone 6 was open.
That's right.
At and you've been mentioning that, natuwa ako doon. Ang hirap targetin nun, pero ironically, yun yung palaging open. Sa likod, ano? 4-3-0. What happened there?
Mistiming. Yung timing niya.
So tabla tayo, 4-all again.
Here we go again.
Again, every set gets decided after the 20th point. Or close to the 20th
Let's see
point.
if that happens again to this set.
Set number 4 na po ito. Great net defense.
Nice. Sayang lang.
So, here's a rally by Petron. They grab the lead, 5-4. Now the question now, can they string a couple of points together to have a bigger lead?
Yeah. That's the $1 million. Well, I guess, yeah. They can do it. I was in the middle of creating a sentence, but I guess they answered it.
I love these ladies when they make us look good.
Yeah.
We're about to say something and they do it.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies.
So parang no words needed. Let's just show the viewers.
Galing nyo. Thank you very much. We are tied at 5. Oh no, it goes the other way.
That's
Outside.
it.
Outside pa lang serve ng Petron. We stand corrected.
Okay.
But they get it back.
Yeah.
They
They
get it
didn't
back.
like that call, so okay, we get back the point.
Kala ko ace. So no, we stand corrected. So on deck to serve, it's Micah Morada.
Former team captain of FEU.
Lady tama raw pala yan, ano?
Yeah.
So 2 straight points for the Blaze Spikers.
That was a good block for a combination play.
Di umubra yung tumbling ni Pantone, no? Di umabot. But Pantone was there. Great service reception. Masangkay will set Del Santos. Roses. Will try again. Great dig by Reyes. Santiago from the back.
Oh, that
Lakas.
was long. Yeah.
Masyadong malakas. The ball goes back to PLDT, the captain on deck to serve.
Sue Rosas.
Ball still alive. De Leon will go to the captain. Great dig by Reyes.
Nice toss.
Oh,
Nice
great.
hit, but Pantone was there.
Aha. Ito na naman, yung mahabang rally. Oh, and it ends there. It ends there. The quickest of the quick
Quickest of the quick hitters.
hitters.
Yeah.
De Banadera.
Displays her stuff.
Alam mo, kaangat pa lang nung bola. That's the best illustration of a quick attack. So tabla tayo, 7-7. Set number 4 here, folks. Chicky Reyes here with Chicky Pablo. 9-9. Natigay. Masangkay will set. Cabalsa. Ang galing pa rin na floor defense ng PLDT. Process. Masangkay will go to Santiago. Alam mo na eh.
No words. Kasi ang ganda ng floor defense ng Petron. Tuloy ang ganda ng reception. Ang ganda ng spike. Because ang ganda ng set.
And the face of Dindin Santiago, di mo na maipinta. It's game face. It's
Oh, game face siya.
I wouldn't want to be beside her at this
Yeah.
point. Oh no! That finds the target, I think. No? Yes, it does.
No, this is the time when you're not sure if the ball is going out or will be inside. Just follow the ball. Follow it, and then if it's shoulders up, outside yun.
Yun yung benchmark,
Yun
ano?
yung benchmark.
Okay, okay. We'll go to Santiago again. From the back was Tatigay. Masangkay to Zapanta. Great dig. Coming from Latigay. Oh,
Morada was there.
ayaw bumigay. Great dig. Coming from Latigay. Oh,
Morada was there.
ayaw bumigay. Soriano. Reyes will go to Zapanta. And we're watching a great rally here. That's
Yeah,
Reyes.
another long rally.
Oh, even the attack of Masangkay was defended by Roses.
Nice floor defense by both teams.
Dindin again!
Oh, but she said enough.
Is
Ayoko na.
enough.
That's it.
11-10 in favor of the Petron Blaze Spikers. That was a very long rally.
Yeah,
But
there you go.
Santiago sent it home.
Yeah, she did. Come on, come on. Kita mo sa face niya ngayon. Let's go, come on.
So Masangkay naman ang nag-serve pero malakas and that's a service error. We are tied at 11.
Pero Pero kaya pa niya yan si Masangkay. I think that was napagod lang kaya nag-overexert. But mukhang game na game pa rin siya.
De Leon, siya naman nag-serve dito for PLDT. Santiago once more. Roses was there. Good try. That's PLDT. Si Latigay lang, hindi sinuwerte from the back.
Yeah. It was a little bit too far at the back.
Parang hindi siya squared din, for that hit.
That's right. Kaya, important talaga yung, form, proper form.
Balikat, Dindin serving for Petron. They're up 12-11. Ball still alive.
Morado is there for that.
De Leon will set. Roses will try. Cross court. From the back is Dindin. Great receive by Pantone. Oh!
That was a great one-hand receive by Dindin. Oh!
Over excited.
Yeah, Zapata was under the ball. Kaya lumobo yung kanyang hit.
So we are tied at 12 all. And again, it's a seesaw battle. But
12 all na naman.
nagkakahiwalay lang po ito towards the end of the set.
Oo nga Palagay ko, pagdating na naman sa number 20, that's where...
The 20th mark,
yeah. That's a good cross-court hit there.
At nanggigigil na si Santiago.
Lika na! Sabi niya, let's go!
Pumapadyak na dito sa hard court. Because they're up 13-12. But I think, more than that, the body language is, can we extend this lead to more than 1 point?
Yeah. It would be best if they do that.
Kasi pag naging dikitan ng laban na Chingy, ang hula ko, with the set count in favor of PLDT, the pressure will be more on Petron pagdating sa dulo, kahit na they have a 1-point lead.
Because PLDT won 2 sets na.
Yun again.
And that's a free point for PLDT.
So service error by Zapanta. So she'll sit down, she'll take a rest. At si Banatik lang magsaserve for PLDT, 13 serving 14. Running attack.
It's that dead spot yung gitna na naman Doon niya tinarget.
And the composure of Santiago. Kala mo hindi na maaabutan yun,
Ginawa niya ng paraan
Tawag namin ni Coach Ronnie dyan, GNP.
GNP?
Oh.
Gawa ng paraan.
Ginawa ng paraan. At patuloy na ginagawa ng paraan dito ng Petron ng set. Comparison. Pantone and Reyes, the two liberos.
Look at that, 10 points difference. I think that slight sprain ba? Di ba natapilok si Reyes kanina? I think that did a lot.
And angat na angat dun sa ganong labanan si Gata Pantone.
Of course, I'm not saying that Pantone is not a good libero. She's one of the best liberos.
Sabi ko nga sa iyo, yung pangalan niya, laman na ng bahay yan. Pag sinabi mo libero, sinabi mo volleyball.
And to think she gave birth na, married and gave birth na.
Nanganak na yung lagay na yan.
Yes, galing
Mantakin mo. Parang walang nangyari. Pero ito, anong nangyari dito?
It hit the corner.
Hindi inaasahan ng PLDT yan. And immediately, partner ni Coach Roger and Chidi say, you are creating or digging your own grave.
Yeah. So let's see what they're going to do about it. Let's see what the power spikers are going to do about it.
But you mentioned, every time na nagta-time out ang PLDT at may binibitawan si Coach Roger ng mga ganyang kataga. Nagre-respond mabuti ang power attackers. Let's see.
Power attackers.
On deck to serve, number 13 for the Blaze Spikers. That's Morada. Ito na ang response dito. PLDT. Net defense, pero lumabas.
That's right. So the point goes to them. That was off the block. So, okay.
So far, tama pa rin yung observation mo.
Gawa sila agad Respond agad. Nice reception.
Ganon down the line. Wow.
Alam mo, ang hirap kunin nun because it was zone 1.
Yes. mahirap din pati yung...
Kasi malakas din naman yung palo niya.
At
So,
makikipag-laro ka dun sa guhit, ano?
oh, that's a line.
Because
Yeah.
really, the space you're working on in that particular attack was just the right side. Tapos lalaroin mo yung linya.
Oh.
Aroy.
Oh, but she gave a free point. De Los Santos.
So ito na yung sinasabi namin ni Chicky Pablo na pag dumating sa stretch, sa tail end, sa 20th mark dito nagkakatalo. Let's see if Petron can hang in there. Santiago gives them a 5-point lead.
And now we're 20-15. So let's see what's gonna happen. Ito na yung sinasabi natin.
Pang-20 na. Kung makalayo dito ang Petron, it's a lot of breathing room for the Petron Blaze Spikers. Ferrer will set. Oh, that was a smart play.
That was a smart play. Kala mo, isineset niya sa 4. Yung pala, it was over. She earned that point for the power attackers.
But hats off to Jen Reyes for trying to get that ball. Natigay. Siya ang nag-serve for PDD. That's an ace.
Oh, they watched the ball drop to the floor.
Ayan na naman.
Oh, ito na nga yun eh.
20.
Sinasabi natin eh.
Or rather, 17 serving 20. 3 points separating PLDT and
Malu.
Petron. Masangkay will set again. Oh, double.
Yeah. Very strict na ngayon ang mga referees when it comes to that.
At napatayo dito si Coach George Pascua.
Because what she did was, yung parang ginawa ni Jem, na ilalagay sa kabilang court, but it was called a double.
Natanong siya paano daw naging double. But again, we don't have the luxury or hindi ginagamit talaga ang replay.
Ang
Diba?
sabi kasi ni Coach George, hindi naman gumalaw
Spin.
yung kamay eh.
Or di umikot yung bola. Tama
Hindi.
ba?
Well, pwede namang umikot yung bola, pero yung kamay, hindi iba yung position.
It was in place.
Oo, it was in place.
Pero nag-service error ng PLDT. So that's a free point to Petron. 21-18. They're up by 3. Play
Buhay pa
continues.
rin.
They'll go to Santiago. Atake dito ang power attackers. And Morales scores again.
That was a good hit there by Morales.
So, interesting dito.
Yeah.
Chicky,
Yes, Chicky.
PLDT is hanging in there without Roses on the floor.
That's right.
Di ba?
Correct.
Napapagpa
Pinapahinga siya
niya.
muna.
Oo. Habang dito, medyo sulit na sulit itong anim. Oh!
Wow, off speed there by Zapata, and she earns that point for Petron.
So, 22-19 ang ating score at ayan na.
Hindi pwedeng mawala ng matagal si Sue. Ibalik.
Binalik agad si
Oh,
Roses.
binalik agad.
Tintin on tech to serve for the Petron Blaze Spikers. 22-19, they're up by 3. Using that 8 seconds very well.
Oo, kailangan mag-concentrate ka eh.
Tsaka libre pahinga yun, di ba?
Oo, libre pa yun na. Catch your breath.
Tintin puts up another point for PLDT. They're only down by 2. And Soriano will serve for the power attackers. Let's see if they can inch closer.
That's a good serve, but was received well.
From the back, great dig, Roses. Masangkay to De Los Santos. Buhay pa rin, all the way to the back.
Oh! Sue saw that. Sue saw that nobody was there, and that's where she put the ball.
Alam mo, ang ganda ng